Tired of profits stuck on Pocket Option? Let's move that hard-earned cash to your crypto wallet. First, log into your Pocket Option account and head over to the Finance section. Usually, you'll find a Withdraw button prominently displayed. Click it. Now, you'll see a list of withdrawal options. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency. Pocket Option supports several popular ones, so pick the one matching your crypto wallet. Next, you'll need to enter your crypto wallet address. Double-check this address. A single typo can mean your funds are lost forever. Paste it carefully. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees displayed. These fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency and withdrawal amount. Before finalizing, a review screen appears. Scrutinize all the details. Amount, crypto, and especially that wallet address. Is everything perfect? Security first. Pocket Option likely requires two-factor authentication or an email verification. Follow the instructions to confirm it's really you making the withdrawal. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation that your withdrawal request is being processed. The processing time varies, so be patient. You can usually track the transaction using a blockchain explorer. Pocket Option often provides a transaction ID, or TXID, for this. Copy the TXID. Paste that SID into a blockchain explorer for your chosen crypto. You'll see the transaction status, pending initially, then confirmed once the crypto network processes it. Boom, funds safely transferred.